Welcome everybody and happy Independence Day to all of you in advance. And because we are celebrating 75th Independence Day, we are going to give you special discount, very big mega discount. Not 7.5, not 15%, not 22.5%, total 30% discount we are going to give for the first time in our classes. Such a huge discount we are going to give. Physical books you are going to get 150 hours of recorded classes you are going to get. You are going to get unlimited views. You are going to get chapter wise MCQ test. You are going to get 6 subjective tests which will be giving, correcting and giving you proper feedback every week. Continuous your support system reports every week. Whatever day doubts are there, you can clarify. All that support is there for all of you. No compromise with anything. But on the eve of independence, we are giving you 30% discount. So what are you waiting for? CMA Inter Direct Tax. You want 6 months course because December 6 months are there. August, September, October, November, December. Around 6 months are there. For June 2023 again 12 months are there. So 6 months 12 months offers are going on. You are going to get 30%. How can you avail? कोई coupon code की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just go to the website. We have dropped our prices already to 30% level. So just go and make the purchase. Share with your friends. Ganesh sir has given 30% discount. Independence Day sale. This is what your advantage is. Enjoy learning and we are all with you. Our team will support you for your success, for your exam success. We are there. Happy Independence Day and share this video with everybody so that everybody, whoever in need of direct tax classes, can take the advantage of this discount sale.